Hey, good morning. My name is Joe Jackson. I'm the owner of Metro Design, and today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to boost your online presence, get you higher ranking on Google, start bringing in those leads you're missing out on, right? So we help build out this awesome business. For sure. So, first thing is first, Google loves content. Okay, content is king when it comes to Google. So they want to see, between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your home page. Now, obviously, very few people are going to read 2,000 words on your home, and they will know that you are the subject matter expert compared to somebody that has, 600 words. Makes sense? So you're sitting at about 547 words on your home page, so I definitely recommend upping that to the 1,500 word goal Google likes to see, right? Competition is doing about 647 words, right? So about 100 words more than you, right? So that's why they're outranking you, okay? So if you want to outrank them, I recommend doing 1,500 words. Cool. Google also loves big built-out websites, okay? So the more pages you can throw on your website, the better, okay? So it's a good start, right? You got quite a few pages on here, right? A lot more than what I've seen other companies do, okay? But I recommend doing each of your services as their own page, okay? Make your website as big as you can get it to beat your competition, okay? On your back pages, right, on your service pages, Google wants to see between 500 and 700 words, okay? Now your competition is doing about 400 to 600 words. Okay, so if you want to outrank them in that area, I recommend doing about 700 words on your back pages. Okay, I also recommend, again, separating each of your services into their own page. Okay, right now you have all your services on one page, and you're doing about 969 words. So separate those, throw in more content, and you're on your way, right? So if you go take a look at your competitor website, right, I'll show you what I was talking about. So you can see, right, how many pages alright, it's huge. Okay, you can see each of his services are on their own page, right? You can see how many pages he has. Huge, right? So if you want to outrank him in this area, you're going to want to do as many pages as him and plus, right? Once again, he was doing about 400 to 600 words on his service pages, so I recommend doing 700 words plus on your service pages, okay? And so I recommend doing 1,500 words, right? That's the goal. That's the goal that Google likes to see, okay? So that's what you need to do to outrank him on his website. I was going to talk about citations, okay? I'm sure you know what that is, right? Because you're ranking number 2 in Inglewood, Colorado, right? So your Google My Business is on point in that area, so good work. We're going to go ahead and skip over that. I'm going to bring you to backlinks, okay? Backlinks are super important, okay? This is what helps you rank your website to the top of Google, okay? And if you have good quality backlinks, that's what's going to help you rank to the top of Google a lot faster. Okay, you can have a perfect website, right? But if you don't have power getting past to your website through backlinks, your website's not going to go anywhere. Okay, you also want to keep in mind when hunting for backlinks, you want quality over quantity. Okay, you can go out there and get 20 bad backlinks. I could go get 10 good quality backlinks, and my website would outrank yours every month. Makes sense? Another thing with backlinks is this is a monthly reoccurring thing. Okay, so you want to go out there and get backlinks every month, good quality backlinks every month, so your website can stay relevant, right? So the power can keep getting pushed to your website every month. If you stop doing it monthly, your website's going to fall back down, and you're going to have to redo it again. Okay, so keep it up every month. Keep going and getting those good quality backlinks. So this is your number 1 competitor. He has 210 websites pushing 1.36 thousand backlinks to his website. right? So you can see that's super powerful. Okay, that's why he's ranking, right? Also because he has a really good website, right? He also has 1.8 thousand organic keywords he's ranking for, right? Keywords are what people are searching for in your area, right? So once we start ranking for those keywords, you're going to start bringing in a lot of leads, right? So he almost has 2,000 keywords he's ranking for. Okay, and because he has those keywords, right, because he has power from the backlinks, because he has a really good website, he's bringing in almost 900 leads to his website per month, right? Which is super exciting, right? And definitely shows you that you have potential, right? So let me go get your information and we can compare it. Alright, here it comes. So you can already see the difference, right? So you have 31 websites, right, pushing 334 backlinks to your website. Okay, so it's a good start, right? It's good power, it's a good start. Definitely not as close as we would like to see it, as right, comparing it to your competitor's website. Okay, also have 107 keywords, pretty low compared to your competitor as well. And because your website is the way it is, because your keywords are the way they are, and because your backlinks is the way they are, you're only bringing in 61 organic traffic to your website per month. Okay, so it's a huge difference, right? And it's a huge difference, but you can see that you have potential, right? You can see you can take your business to the next level for sure, right? So it should be super exciting. I would definitely take advantage of it, right? That's all I really wanted to show you today. I hope you liked it. Hope you found it informative. Go ahead and reach back out to me if you have any questions. Call or text me anytime, 515-468-3039. We love feedback, so we'll reach out to you if we don't hear from you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.